screaming and moaning, and it took a total of 45 minutes for the helicopter to arrive. They gave me some laughing gas to take away the pain. I started making all these ridiculous jokes, you know, because it makes you delusional, and I didn't forget about the pain, because they carry me on a stretcher now. It took like 8 guys because the snow is super deep, and they had to walk me back down to the helicopter, and my foot was just hanging off the stretcher like this. Like, I was on the stretcher, my body was fine, but my foot was just hanging off, and I was like, like in so much pain. I was like, somebody please just grab my foot and put it on the stretcher, you know? Like, it was real bad.